guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. And we have today Rowan. But he is my baby cousin, and today he is going to be picking my makeup. Right, Ro? So I'm gonna put 2 items or more in front of me or in my hands, and he is going to pick one of them, and whatever one he picks, I have to use. First, we have primers. These are the 2 we're going for. All right, Ro. Pick one. So we picked that one. So we're gonna pick all the stuff first and then we'll do our look. So now the 2 foundations. Which one? That one. No, you can't choose both. So these are the 2 we're using. Now choose one. Now these are the 2 we're using. Choose one. Oh, he finally went for the right hand. Good job, baby. Now these are the 2 highlighters. Which one? Doing good, Ro. Interesting combo. Which one? He's like, Okay, he's been going for this one first. Next item. Which one, Ro? He's like, He's like, Okay, good choice, Ro. All right, time for the next item, Ro. Okay, he chose the bright pink. Which lip gloss is, Ro? Which one? Everybody say bye to Ro. Say bye. All right, guys, so I finished that. Now I'm gonna move on to the powder. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. If you are wondering, what does powder do? Why do you have to do powder? It applies makeups better on other makeups on your face. I'm gonna do some bronzer now. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. This is the Butter Bronzer. I'm going to move on to my blush. And just smile, or you can just do this. And just put it, these are called the apples of your cheeks. So just put them right here on the apples. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using Dance Party. This is a very bright pink color, but it's very pretty. Now I'm just going to take, it's called Tipsy Girl, and I'm just going to take my finger and do it on my lid and kind of just very bright pink, like the 80s almost. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of a purple. I'm using Therapy Siege. Now, Tipsy Girl, put it on the lid. Here's my crazy look. I'm gonna do mascara. So now it's time for the lipstick. It is time for the highlighter. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And sorry, one more thing. Don't forget to check out the Daya Daily t-shirts. I will link them down in the description below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.